Did you know that the first 3D printer was invented back in 1984? What started as a simple plastic layering machine has exploded into a $20 billion global industry. Today, we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of how these incredible machines are actually manufactured. From aerospace components to medical implants, 3D printers are revolutionizing manufacturing. But have you ever wondered how these amazing machines themselves are made? Get ready for 5 absolutely jaw-dropping facts that will change how you think about 3D printer production. Here's our first mind-blowing fact. The machines that make 3D printers must be 10 times more precise than the printers they are building. A typical consumer 3D printer has a precision of about 100 microns, but manufacturing its components requires machines accurate to 10 microns. That is smaller than a red blood cell. The assembly robots used in 3D printer manufacturing are so precise that they operate in temperature-controlled clean rooms, because even a single degree of temperature change can affect their accuracy by several microns. Our second jaw-dropping fact challenges everything you think about manufacturing waste. The factories that make 3D printers actually use 3D printing. That's right, about 30% of the components in modern 3D printers are themselves 3D printed. But here's the truly amazing part. These factories maintain a closed-loop recycling system, where 93% of manufacturing waste is converted back into printing material. This recursive manufacturing approach isn't just environmentally friendly, it allows manufacturers to continuously improve their designs based on real-world production data. Every failed print becomes valuable data for improving the next generation of printers. Prepare to have your mind blown by fact number 3. The average 3D printer requires over 1,000 precise movements to assemble, yet the entire process takes just 27 minutes. This is achieved through what engineers call Harmonic Manufacturing. Multiple robots working in perfect synchronization, with movements timed down to the millisecond. These assembly robots are so sophisticated that they can adjust their movements in real time based on microscopic variations in parts. Imagine a ballet dancer who can adjust their performance mid-leap to land perfectly, even if the stage moved a fraction of a millimeter. Fact number 4 reveals the hidden material science breakthrough that's revolutionizing 3D printer manufacturing. The frame of a modern 3D printer isn't just plastic or metal, it's an advanced composite material that's simultaneously lighter than aluminium and stronger than steel. This miracle material developed specifically for 3D printer manufacturing uses a microscopic honeycomb structure that's actually inspired by bird bones. The result? A 3D printer frame that weighs 40% less than traditional materials, whilst providing 60% better vibration dampening, crucial for maintaining print accuracy. And now for our most mind-blowing fact. Every single 3D printer undergoes quality control processes that generate more data than all of the books in the Library of Congress combined. The testing process uses artificial intelligence to analyze over 100,000 data points per second, measuring everything from motor vibrations to electromagnetic emissions. But here's the truly incredible part. This massive amount of data isn't just used for quality control, it's fed into a global manufacturing intelligence network that helps every 3D printer manufacturer worldwide improve their production process. This collaborative approach has helped reduce manufacturing defects by 97% in just the last 3 years. From microscopic precision and recycled materials to quantum computing control, the manufacturing of 3D printers is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern manufacturing. Next time you see a 3D printer in action, remember, you are looking at a machine that's helping to build its own future. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are fascinated by how things are made, hit the subscribe and click the bell icon to join us for more amazing manufacturing secrets, and please ensure you watch this video here that YouTube recommends for you next. Thanks for watching.